If you fold a piece of paper 42 times, it's thick enough to reach the moon.
You want to see the math? First, what is the distance to the moon? If we Google it, it is 384.4 million meters. Put a box around it. Next, we got to find the thickness of a piece of paper with 42 folds. First off, what is the thickness of a single piece of paper? If we Google that, it says 0.05 to 0.1 millimeters. So it's somewhere in this range. I will go with 0.0874 millimeters. Now let's look at one fold. We would take the thickness of our piece of paper, multiply it by 2 to the 1, and we would get 0.1748 millimeters. Or if we did two folds, we would multiply it by 2 squared, which would be 4, and that would give us 0.3496 millimeters. And three folds would be equal to this multiplied by 2 to the third power, which is equal to 8, and that gives us 0.6992 millimeters. Now, if we had 42 folds, that'd be multiplied by 2 to the 42nd power. It's this very large number right here. After we multiply these, we get this other very large number. This multiplication has introduced extra precision that does not exist. So I'm going to cut it at 4 figures. So this 3 will round up to a 4, and the rest of this stuff is just going to be zeros. So now we have 384,400,000,000 millimeters. So let's copy that down. And this was in meters, so let's convert this to meters. There's 1 meter for every 1,000 millimeters. When we multiply these, the millimeters cancel each other out, and we divide top and bottom by 1,000, which just gets rid of 3 zeros for both. Let's bring down the rest of this number, and let's bring down meters. This is 384,400,000 meters, or in other words, 384.4 million meters. Let's give it a label. This represents a paper with 42 folds, and let's put a box around it. Let's bring this box up here, and let's compare these. The distance to the moon is 384.4 million meters, and a piece of paper with 42 folds is 384.4 million meters. The math checks out. How exciting.